Hey, this is Matt with Atkinson Homeworks. Today we'll be talking about the tunable ported sub box made in the shop. Here's a few pictures of the finished product. Here's the amp rack, all finished up. But let's get started on how to make it. To do that, we need to go back to the beginning. All right, here's the layout after we got the bottom and all the sides on and the port walls on. There is a brace between the center of the port wall and the back, right in that vicinity. And all the corners we braced with these corner braces. They are glued and stapled in with 3/4 inch, 1/4 inch wide crown staples. The port is 4 1/4 inches wide. At the end of the video, I'll have a cut list to show you what the dimensions of this one is and what it was tuned to. And here it is after we got the top on it. We did 3 layers on the top. Have 2 that the speaker sits on and 1 up where the sub is kind of inlaid in that you can see in the final picture when it's all done. All these sides and everything are glued and screwed with 1 5/8" drywall screws. They to get the second layer and the first layer screwed together, cut about 1/2 inch off the 5/8 or 1 5/8 screws, so that way they didn't stick through and poke through to the inside. In this picture, you can see the hole that was cut and for an inlay for the wire connections to the speaker. Here it is a little closer up. And here's the amp rack. If I remember correctly, that is 40 inches long, 18 inches tall. Then the bottom is 8 inches wide. And again, we did the corner braces, glued and stapled these as well. They're just additional bracing, so that way it's not going to stress that too much. There it is after it was installed. Here it is all finished. See how that is inlaid down in there. Here's the amps all mounted with all the wiring. My nephew did this. This is his vehicle. He did a great job. It sounds great. Here's the cut list for it. And he did his research and due diligence on finding out what it needed to be tuned for the speaker and the amps that he has, which in this case is 29 hertz, and kerf is usually 0.125. This only goes 2 decimals, so round it up to make sure there is enough space in the kerf to allow for that. All right, here's sheet number 1. I took 2 sheets of MDF. Used 3/4 inch MDF for this project. Here's the layout of sheet 1. Here's the layout of sheet 2. And for the speaker or the amp mount, we used some of this 40-inch wide piece up here, and then this 8.87 piece, and ripped it down to 8 inches and cut it off to 40 inches long. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. If it's been help, like it, give me a shout saying, hey, that's helpful in the comments. All right. Thank you for watching. All right. Have a good one.